There comes a time in every nation's journey when the people must rise, not for protest, not for war, but for purpose. Today, that purpose is the Kaveri engine, an indigenous dream, a jet engine born from Indian minds for Indian skies, a symbol of self reliance, technology, and strength. This isn't just about an engine, it's about India's spine in the sky, about not begging for foreign engines, about not being hostage to delays, politics, or price tags from other countries. But here's the irony: we, 140 crore Indians, pride ourselves on Make in India. We celebrate Atmanirbhar Bharat. And yet, the Kaveri engine lies underfunded, underprioritized, and under-recognized. So now, the youth of India have taken charge. Fun Kaveri engine is trending, not for fame, not for fun, but for the future. A campaign powered by ordinary citizens with extraordinary vision. People are not asking for subsidies, they're not asking for freebies, they're asking, why can't we invest in our own strength? And guess what? In the same country where popcorn is already taxed at 18% under GST, people are saying loud and clear, make it 20% if you must. We don't mind paying more for snacks, but please raise funds for the Kaveri engine. Spend less on unnecessary schemes and more on national strength. They're questioning the careless distribution of thousands of crores in the name of Ladli Behna schemes and other political freebies. No one opposes true empowerment. But when crores of taxpayer money are spent on shallow gimmicks, on unproductive handouts, people have every right to say, why not invest in our defense? Why not fund a project that protects every Indian, regardless of gender, caste, or vote bank? We have the brains. We have the talent. What we need is backing. Let's be honest. We cheer when Chandrayaan lands on the moon. We clap when Tejas flies at Aero India. But those victories are possible only when we back our innovators, not just with applause, but with action. Today, the Kaveri engine project has made progress. A dry variant is ready. Flight tests are underway. We are this close to making history. But without the nation's will, it may remain another file in another dusty cabinet. Let that not happen. Let not history say we lacked courage. This is a call to every Indian, to the taxpayer, to the entrepreneur, to the student, to the homemaker. You may not be in the army, you may not wear a uniform, but this is your chance to serve the nation. Raise your voice, join the campaign, tell the government we want our tax money to build power, not dependency. We want engines, not entitlements. We want wings, not welfare gimmicks. Let this be the generation that didn't just scroll, but stood up. Let this be the voice that didn't just echo, but ignited change. Kaveri is not just an engine, it's a test of how much we believe in ourselves. So, join us. Post, share, tag, use your voice. Because if we don't fund Kaveri now, we will spend the next decade buying what we could have built. India has waited long enough. Now, it's our turn to fuel the fire. Let's power the Kaveri.